Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying model and variant, so you flash the correct build. Get the IMEI and a full backup before you proceed. Once done, enable OEM unlock and USB debugging in developer options, and install platform tools plus the correct USB drivers on your PC. Next, locate a signed factory image or compatible custom ROM that matches your device and target Android version. Make sure the build number and carrier region are identical so you avoid mismatches. You now unlock the bootloader via fastboot. Remembering this action erases user data, so only proceed after backing up. Once unlocked, flash a custom recovery like TWRP or use vendor tools, Odin for Samsung, depending on your device. Use fastboot flash commands for factory images and follow the vendor sequence. Make sure to copy firmware to the PC, verify checksums before flashing, and retain the original stock firmware on another drive so you can revert if needed. You finish by performing the clean flash. Install the ROM, wipe Dalvik/cache and user data if required, then reboot and let the first boot complete. This can take several minutes. After booting, verify radios, sensors, Play Store login, and app signatures to ensure stability. If you hit a boot loop or persistent errors, re-enter recovery, re-flash the stock firmware or kernel, or restore your saved stock image. This is the key troubleshooting path to recover a bricked or unstable device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.